Welcome back to the channel. So this is a vintage Coach City bag, style number 9790, and this bag is just barely considered vintage. So it's just barely 20 years old because it was made in the year 2002 and it was made in China. So as you can see, this is more of a medium size bag. It can be used as a shoulder or crossbody bag. And it's a beautiful classic style in this beautiful black color, as you can see, and I'll go ahead and show you the bag itself now. So here's a little bit more of a close-up of the bag. As you can see, it's got a turn lock closure right here on the front. And then I'll show you, here's what the sides of the bag look like. And then here's the back, and it's got a back slip pocket. And it's also got the matching Coach hang tag that you see on the vintage bags. This one's a double-sided hang tag. And then when we open the bag, I'll show you, it does have another slip pocket here in this front part of the bag. And then on the inside, it's also got a zip pocket here along the back of the bag. So you could put something back there in this compartment if you want to keep it separate in the bag. And then it's also got the Coach Creed back here. Here's a photo of the Creed since it's hard to pick up on camera, so you can see that the bag is of course authentic. So that's the vintage Coach City bag, and if you like the style of bag and wanted to check it out further, I will link it below in our Etsy shop. It is still available on Etsy. We also have a couple other city bags available right now. I think we have several in red. So if you wanted to look at those, I'll link the main Etsy shop link below as well. But otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.